8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kick that bass.
Let's do it now. Do you wanna rock the planet? Do you wanna rock this planet?
How we doing, guys? Just got home from work. Look what we've been dealing with lately. Yeah, not a whole lot getting done here. Haven't done a video in a while. Just thought I'd check in with you guys. Tell you what's been going on lately. This is what's been going on. And got plans for a total rebuild. But the weather certainly ain't cooperating with me lately. And my garage consists of a 16 by 16 that I can't put my truck in because it floods here. So it has to be on stilts. But anyways, thought I'd make a short little video for you guys. Haven't done none lately because of computer issues. But we got a new computer and got it fired up, so I'm gonna start working on stuff. Got a bunch of stuff to get edited and get on here. So I'll check back in with you guys here shortly. I'll show you my new computer setup and whatnot. But that's what my Blazer looks like at the moment. Sitting under 6 inches of snow. Yay. So check back with you guys here shortly. Alright, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. Like I said before, I was going to show you my new setup with my computer, since I haven't been able to upload videos due to piece of crap laptop issues. But we got a new computer, and I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update on what's coming for the Blazer for 2018. So coming to you from what we call the gaming room here at the Burba compound, or the Basscop compound. I'll show you a little setup I did for the game. It's our gaming room. That's the boy. That's the lazy mutt. But it's an old bedroom. We just converted it into a gaming room. I took a closet and made an entertainment center out of it. I think it turned out pretty cool. Did that a few years ago. But anyways, here's the new computer setup. Pretty wicked little machine here. Well, I wouldn't say little, but it's an iBuyPower. I think it's 16 RAM, 2 gig, NVIDIA 1060 Ti. It's a gaming computer. I'm going to use it for doing my videos and stuff as well. 24-inch screen. You know, just nothing too crazy, but enough to do what I want to do with some of my stuff here. Now, give you a little bit of what I'm planning on for the Blazer for this year. Like I stated earlier, it's going to be a total rebuild for 2018. As soon as this weather breaks, we get rid of some of the snow, I can get out there and start tearing this thing apart. I haven't decided yet exactly what I'm going to do as far as the setup. I know I'm still going to be running 8 of the BD 412s on 4 of the 4Ks. I currently have an APNK 2504 on the mids and highs, but I may change it up since I'm adding more speakers and tweets and stuff. I'm totally going to redo the doors, and I have plans to do a totally custom console. But the way that console is going to come out is going to depend on what box I end up doing. I'm still not sure on the enclosure yet. I'm kind of back and forth between just a ported flat wall, maybe to try to punish people, or thought about doing some sort of crazy fourth order. And if I go that way, I'm going to try and keep it a little bit under wraps until it starts to come to life before I start telling people, because I want it to be not your typical fourth order I want it to be something different. I like this. I strive to be different with my builds. Nothing against anybody out there, but these days it seems like a lot of the fourth order enclosures you see, you know, not that it's bad, but a lot of them are so similar looking. I just want to try something crazy if I go that route. But I got to get it apart before I do anything as far as that goes. But anyways, so that's the plans. Still going to keep the CES alternators. Thinking about adding a third. Thinking about doing an AC delete and adding a third one. Talked to Jonathan Patrick already from CES. We talk about if I go that route, we're just going to do a small case hairpin. Put it where my AC compressor is now. Just do that delete and just get a bracket. Won't be too hard to do, but that's if it's in my budget this year. So it's really not necessarily any new equipment besides upgrading the doors with more speakers. Thought about maybe trying to put some speakers in the console. Just depends. It's one of those types of things where I kind of things come together for me as I build. So we'll see where that goes. I apologize. I know I've picked up quite a few subscribers to my channel here the last few weeks, and I just haven't been able to get that content done and get it uploaded. So that's my goal now. I got some videos and stuff that I got to get uploaded. I got to get edited, uploaded, all that sort of stuff, and get them on that page. And I plan on doing videos of the build progress as well, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. And I will keep the updates on my Blazer's Facebook page and my personal page, as well as Team Audiopipe page. If some of you are members of that, and we also have an Audiopipe only page that pretty much anyone can join. Can't just anyone join the team page. You actually have to. We have some requirements for that as far as, excuse me, being on the page. You got to have Audiopipe equipment and that sort of stuff. So it's just basically a team page more towards people that actually run the Audiopipe equipment. So in ending, that's my plans. So if anybody's got questions, like I said, you can follow me on here, Facebook, Instagram, and I dabble a little bit in Twitter, but I don't have too many followers on there, which I really don't care. But we'll go from there. So I'll try and keep you guys updated a little better. Now I should be able to do videos a little better now I got this computer, and we'll go from there. So we'll talk to you guys after a while. This is Basscop.